He who is on the ground does not fear fall, but the one that is on the height should be careful lest he fall. The next time you want to climb to do that task at home, please be very careful, because fall at height can result in great injuries, even death. Let's take lessons from this Mr. John story so that we can avoid great fall. This is Mr. John's story. Mr. John, a 15 years experienced painter that climbs as a normal routine, experienced a fall. This time he's got the task of painting a 3-story building. On this day, he experienced a great fall, narrowly escaping smashing his head on a stack of iron. He climbed the old wooden ladder with strong determination but without caution. As he climbed to reach new heights, the wobbly old wooden ladder betrayed Mr. John, sending him crashing on the floor. While neighbors rushed to the scene to help him, the causes of his fall became very clear. An insecure, shaky, and rocky ladder, lack of assistance, and a dash of overconfidence. As was also noticed, he carried tool with one hand while he climbed the ladder with the other hand. Use stable and reliable ladders, and also ensure your ladder is of the appropriate type and height. Inspect the ladder. Make sure there are no damage or defect points on it. Never undertake any task at height without assistance, be it climbing a stool at home, stacking up tables, whatever it is, the medium of climbing. Never undertake any task without assistance. Lean the ladder at a 75-degree angle and ensure the ladder extends at least 3 feet above the support landing or walking surface. And please do acknowledge your personal limits. Do implement the precautions discussed so as to reduce the risk of fall, and kindly share it with someone so that we can break the cycle of accident. Do smash the like and hit the subscribe button if you are joining me for the first time. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.